This is what gets you ready for the street right here. Yo, it's hot, bro. It's hot. Yo, catch up.
I'm a young baller. Every day we stay shining. Rolly presidential, perfect time.
Y'all ready? Or y'all ready? You. Hello. Nobody gonna
Yo, we gotta pick up Manny.
I know y'all ready. I ain't even got my shoes on.
Yo guys, what is up? B squad, whatever y'all know how to do this shit. Let's I'm tired. Listen, y'all, we about to get ready. Today's a trail vlog, guys. I know y'all love the trail vlogs. I haven't been on my bike in a while. Jordan hasn't been on her bike. Fatty just got brand new tires on his 4-wheeler. Yeah, Nana still don't got a bike, but guess what? What's going down, Nana? We let him use the bikes. That's what we gonna do today, right? Zan, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go meet up with Manny. What you got for me, baby?
Your extra large sausage.
Is that mine or yours?
It's yours.
As they always say. Yo, what's up, y'all? Look, it's been like, no lie, it's been like probably 4 hours later. We finally got the bikes on trail. We had to go to U-Haul and rent a U-Haul truck and everything. That's white over there with the U-Haul truck. We got the Scramble, we got the 2 Polarises and the rest of the bikes in the truck, and then we got the truck over there. Finally about to go have some fun. We've been up all morning. Listen, this is the first time we're really going trail riding with these bikes, guys. I'm super excited. Let me put the camera down and drive though, because then Manny's gonna start crying at me, and then Jordan's gonna start crying. I did, but it's okay. It's up. Did I?
We're alive.
We're alive.
Because
Okay.
of me.
No, because I saw the road.
You didn't. You were too busy looking on your phone.
Y'all ready? Got the Raptor. How much gas you needed? A lot? Huh?
It was about half a tank.
They don't really eat that much gas.
And it's brand new too, so carbs and all that shit is clean. It's fuel injectors is clean. Whatever, it's fuel injector, right?
Fuel
The
injector.
jets is clean as shit. They brand new.
Whole different ball game in the trails. eating the suspension is crazy. Yeah, he almost flipped. Reverse and hit it. You want to stop? Bang! Hit it hard. Go, go. Harder, harder, harder. Go, go. Yeah. Yo, squad, who do you know eat pizza and ride their bikes? Nobody. Y'all look at this. Look at this. Hey, man, you dirty. You dirty. Look at this. Yo, hold on, hold on, hold on. Yo, fatty, chill, bro. Chill. I got you.
Disrespecting me?
Nah, what? Yo. So, what's this beef going on, bro? What's going on?
My man Manny don't want no smoke. What's his name? No, what they call you?
Mandy. Yo, Mandy, you want smoke? Mandy want smoke, y'all? You want smoke?
They call me NBA Mandy. No smoke, no smoke.
Oh! You don't want no smoke.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
They can take it to the strip back there.
Want to take it to the strip? We going to the strip or what?
The strip club?
The strip? No. The strip.
No, bro, I want back. I want to ride, bro.
He wants to ride. He don't want to willy.
I'm gonna ride.
Ooh, he copping out, right? He copping out?
I copped out.
He copping out. He said,
Give me my money.
give me my money.
Oh, yeah, let's go to the strip.
All right,
Start
come
now.
on, let's go.
This thing can no joke.
Let me see that, Manny. Got it? Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Come on.
This shit tired.
Go ahead, get on it. You started or no? Come on.
Ready?
Fuck this man, Jack. Come on. Come on.
It's turned off. I got it.
You ain't
I'ma
got
get
it. Let him do it.
That's a turn right off.
I thought she was on the floor, bro.
Nah, bro, I'm a beast, baby.
I know, but that shit went from here to
I know. This shit's so much more comfortable. What is this bitch? I don't even know if the camera got this, but we're just playing Dirt Wars. We're gonna go round 2 when we get back. I swear, I promise you guys. We're about to go get gas real quick though. Babe, play the game. Come on, play the game. Yo, you know what's cool about you, babe? They won't get near you because you'll run their ass over. Yo, on my word, 30 days. What? Hold on, y'all. What you gonna get?
30 days, I will have that.
Oh, he trying to get somebody. Look, he trying to get somebody. Guys, we only got like a half an hour left to an hour, but why is girling? We're in the woods. We're in the woods. We're in the woods. We're in the woods. Right, Manny, say it. How you say it? How you say it, Manny? We're in the woods. All ice. All ice. Yo, it's all ice. Yo, do a donut. It's all ice. Do a donut. Yo, why can't we just go on the ice, bro? Bro, that shit not deep. Try the middle. Bro, that's not deep at all, bro.
Alright, let's go.
Come on. Honestly, it's not deep. It's not deep. We good. Oh, wait, it got deep.
It got deep, bro. Now right here, we're gonna ride through the side.
Try the whole side. Go ahead.
4x4.
4x4. I'm sorry, bro. I was trying to make sure everybody was cool. I got you. I want you to go right here real quick so I can see. I want to show you the vlog. Listen, same thing as every other forward, okay? Yes, I got it on 2-wheel drive, so you'll be all right. It's on high. Brake right here, and this is front and back brake. So don't hit this too hard because
So
it'll like
you want me to
twist.
stop with this one?
Yeah, that one. And you can touch both of them, but don't hit this one too hard. You can hit this one nice and slight, and then hit that one hard. Go ahead. Go right here, so you don't run away. Go ahead, you got it. You got it. Go ahead, hit it. You got it. It's all about. Oh, look at Mike. Woo! I thought he was gonna flip it.
It's like a monster.
I told you.
I don't know how you do it. I think you sold him, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try riding again.
Look at it.
It's fun. We ain't never selling that.
I get another one. That's what you gotta get.
Dude, it's like too comfortable.
You don't gotta do nothing on that.
I'm about to hit the hills, yo.
Right there, hit that one. Yo, that shit a monster, right?
Everybody good on gas now?
I'm full.
I
This
only
shit.
lost one bar.
Yeah, my shit'll last all day.
No, you can't watch the beat.
Yeah, don't hit nobody, bro. Yeah. Come on, let's do it. Go ahead, man. Yeah, man. Go. Go right up. Go ahead. Woo. I go. Wanna go? Watch him, baby. Things are getting kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. We had fun. We did all the things we can do. But yo, some people came by and slashed our tires on the trailer and on somebody else's trailer and the truck. Like, come on, y'all. Like, we here to have fun. You want to slash our tires? I don't know if it was cops or if it was people, but it's crazy, guys. Like, and they stole white tools. Yo, he's on the phone right now, but
Can I tell you something?
and he stole white tools. So it's just crazy, man. I don't know, but some of these guys we met over here, they're actually helping us right now. They said that they slash people's tires and break people's things so they can leave the car and come back so they can take the thing. So I'm not sure how true that is. Hopefully, it felt like a setup, guys. Not gonna lie, it felt like we was there. They were gonna rob us. Like, it was bad, right, babe?
Yeah, I ain't like that.
What's up, bro? You want to say something? You say you want to say something?
I forgot.
Fatty's
Call
crazy,
your
guys.
mom.
But listen, I'm gonna show y'all the 2 flats when we get to Wawa because we gotta change this stuff. It's crazy, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is bad, yo. And it's the same exact thing on the other side. This really sucks, man. We're like an hour away and we're stranded. So we're trying to see what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do. The owner of the trailer said, "Yo, ride that thing back just like that." But you know, we have a lot of weight on these bikes, and it's just really unsafe for an hour drive. You feel me? So I don't know, guys. I'm gonna let you guys know what's up. It's Fat Boy came to say today. Fat girl.
That's all the way up.
Fat girl
What's up,
came to say
man?
today. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If Fat Boy would never came, would have been out of luck. I told her, I said, yo, Rich told me to take it home just like that, bro. He said take it home, drive it.
Bring it down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit.
A little bit, bro.
That's a little bit, right? Get to work.
Get the work, whitey. We got a flat because of white.
What? Go ahead, bring it down a little bit more.
It's because of you came to the trails today.
Good day.
More.
Right there. Yeah, come on.
More.
Let's get this fixed, y'all. Let's get this fixed. Right there. No, a little bit more, bro. The rim got to be on the floor.
Why did you try to take
just put it all the way down. Now we put it back up.
Yo, squad, it's like 6 hours later and we're still here. Oh man.
We got it though.
We got it, yeah. Thanks to my guys. Thanks to my little young boy right here. Yo. Say what's up.
What's up?
Look at this. It's no joke.
Anything for the B squad.
Anything for the B squad? Give me some. Give me some. Came out of his way. You already know my young boy right here. You woke up? You finally up?